Introducing the new RC Whiteboard. The RC Whiteboard is an easy way to track all of the upcoming buyers and listings at Realty Concepts. It's also a great way for you to provide added value to your buyers and sellers by providing access to listings and buyers that are not yet on the market. All you have to do to submit an upcoming buyer or listing is go to the back end of your MyRC portal by clicking here on My Business. Once there, you'll find the easy links to two forms that you can fill out. One form for buyers and one form for sellers, right here and right here. Filling out the forms is quick and easy. All you have to do is enter some basic information. It'll take you less than 1 minute. Once you fill out the form, the info will automatically appear on the whiteboard. Viewing submissions couldn't be any easier. From your MyRC dashboard, just head back to your My Business page and click the link for the RC Whiteboard. Once you're there, you can easily toggle between upcoming buyers and upcoming sellers right down here. So there you have it. No more scouring through emails to find the house that somebody emailed about last week. No more sending and reading about endless upcoming buyers. Now it's all in one place, your RC Whiteboard.